Alright guys, cam day. Got new trick flow springs, which are TFS 16918-6. The valve seals from Summit. Easy enough to change. I didn't video the actual changing because there's about 6,000 videos out there of people doing this to 5.3s, so I didn't feel the need to put one other one on there. So here's the stock cam. The new cam is an Elgin E1840p. Specs, because I'm sure somebody will ask for them. It's what they call the stage 2 sloppy cam. Should be pretty good on lope, but still make it drivable. So, the old Ultra Slick. Something to note, 5/16 dowel rods are perfect for holding the lifters up. Do not get aluminum rods. I got aluminum ones and they will not fit through the hole. They get to the first lifter and they don't go any farther without shaving a side down, and I wasn't willing to do that. So anyways, cam installs, everything, you know, like I said, there's a million of them on YouTube, so this is just an update for where I'm at today. Talk to you guys later. See ya.